Welcome to the delicious world where artificial intelligence meets your kitchen. Imagine a robot chef whipping up your favorite dish while you binge-watch your favorite show. Sounds like a sci-fi dream, right? Well, AI is not just for self-driving cars and smart assistants, it's revolutionizing how we cook and prepare food. From recipe suggestions that cater to your taste buds to smart appliances that can chop, sauté, and even season your meals, AI is here to spice things up. Understanding AI's influence on our culinary experiences is crucial because it's not just about convenience, it's about creativity and innovation in the kitchen. So, grab your apron and let's dive into how AI is transforming our everyday cooking adventures. Who knows, you might just end up with a Michelin star meal. AI is not just a buzzword, it's becoming the sous chef we never knew we needed. Picture this: a smart oven that knows exactly when to turn up the heat, or an app that suggests recipes based on what's lurking in your fridge. Yes, even that questionable jar of pickles. Tools like AI-powered meal planners and smart kitchen gadgets are making cooking more efficient and creative. They help chefs experiment with flavors and techniques, turning even the most mundane ingredients into culinary masterpieces. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want a robot to perfectly dice onions without shedding a tear? With AI in the kitchen, the only thing you'll need to worry about is whether to add a pinch of salt or a dash of sass to your dish. In the ultimate culinary face-off, who reigns supreme? AI chefs or human chefs? On one hand, AI can whip up a perfect soufflé with mathematical precision, never forgetting a step or burning the garlic, unlike that one friend who always forgets to set a timer. But let's not underestimate human chefs, who can sprinkle a dash of love and creativity into every dish, even if it means occasionally mistaking salt for sugar. While AI excels in efficiency and consistency, it might struggle to understand the emotional nuances of cooking, like why we add extra cheese when we're feeling down. As we ponder the future of cooking, it's clear that a partnership between AI and human chefs could lead to some truly delicious outcomes. Just imagine a robot that can also tell dad jokes while cooking. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with some truly unique dishes cooked up by our digital friends. AI has been busy crafting recipes like spicy chocolate avocado pasta and savory pumpkin pie pizza. Yes, you heard that right, pumpkin pie on a pizza. The process involves analyzing thousands of recipes and flavor profiles, allowing AI to mix and match ingredients like a culinary DJ. But let's be real, not every AI creation is a winner. Imagine serving coconut curry ice cream at your next dinner party. Your guests might be confused or worse, intrigued. While some AI-generated recipes may leave us scratching our heads, they certainly spark creativity and laughter in the kitchen. So who knows? You might just discover your new favorite dish, or at least a great story to tell. As we gaze into our crystal ball, the future of AI in cooking looks both exciting and a bit wacky. Imagine AI chefs that can not only cook but also pair your meal with the perfect playlist, because who doesn't want to enjoy their spaghetti while jamming to 80s rock? Future advancements could lead to smart kitchens that anticipate your cravings before you even step inside, maybe even suggesting a midnight snack of chocolate-covered kale. We'll see about that. Picture dining experiences where robots serve food while performing stand-up comedy. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. The possibilities are endless, and while some ideas may sound outrageous, they could redefine how we experience food. So buckle up for a culinary adventure where AI takes us to Flavor Town in ways we never imagined. As we wrap up our delicious journey through the world of AI in cooking, it's clear that the potential for transformation is truly exciting. From innovative recipes crafted by algorithms to smart kitchen gadgets that enhance our culinary creativity, AI is reshaping how we approach food. We've seen how AI can assist chefs, streamline cooking processes, and even add a sprinkle of humor to our dining experiences. Now, we encourage you to reflect on how AI might play a role in your own kitchen adventures. Will you embrace the robot sous chef or stick with your trusty spatula? If you enjoyed this exploration into the future of food, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more tasty content. Let's keep the conversation going and discover what's cooking next.